Okay, what is up? I'm going to stick to vlogging today. I have been starting vlogs all over the place, and then like halfway through the day, life happens. We're busy, we're playing with friends, and I just forget to vlog. But I have been filming all kinds of recipes, so I have lots of content coming. I just have been just filming a lot and busy. So anyway, we started the morning out with a morning at home, of course, laundry, dishes, making, wow, this is crooked, making, what did we make today? Homemade granola, and then we just had lunch, which was roasted carrot soup.
We made gingerbread granola.
Cindy really wanted to do a voiceover, so like she said, we made gingerbread granola in the morning. I did find this recipe on Pinterest. In my opinion, it needs some tweaking, but I will link it below if you are interested. I ended up accidentally burning it and cooking it too long, so it was still pretty tasty. It was just incredibly easy to make, like oats. I used pecans, molasses, maple syrup, some ginger, cinnamon, cloves in there for seasoning, and I was out of coconut oil, so I just subbed it for some olive oil. According to the internet, a lot of people do so. It came out okay, but I overcooked it, unfortunately. So we will definitely continue to try homemade granola because I love it and it's incredibly easy. We love having yogurt parfaits, so something I want to keep in the pantry at all times.
Oh no, I hope it's not burnt. Some of it is burnt, like on the edges. With sand art this morning. Okay, yep. Now we're heading out the door, just gonna go find something to do and like get a change of scenery, get out of the house. With these last couple of weeks off from summer camps, just trying to stay busy and also get things done that I desperately need to get done. Cindy's munching on some trail mix. She went ahead and grabbed some snacks for just since we're gonna be out and about. I do want to go ahead and check out, I think a new like little bookstore just came to town, so we'll just check that out. I think they have maybe like a small kids section, but we're gonna go walk around, hopefully get some sunshine. It feels like fall today, not gonna lie. It's very, very cool and chilly, so that's where we are at. lately life has just been really busy. We went to my mom's for the day one time. We went school shopping with her. We played in the pool. We had a play date and went to lunch with friends all day yesterday. And so, yeah, I mean, having an awesome time, but also, you know, no routine for me. So that's where we are at. Look forward to lots of yummy homemade recipes and from scratch recipes coming very soon too. I've been thoroughly enjoying that. You guys, our trees are already changing. I usually like coming here to this little garden area. It's a wonderful picnic spot. It's so peaceful and beautiful. I can usually find parking on the side of the street too. But I love these gardens. Wait till you see up close. And Sydney always likes to check the little free library that's over here. How pretty. Can you smell it through the screen? Oh my goodness, these smell so good. Are there any kids ones today?
Nope, they're grown-up ones.
Grown-up ones? Okay. Can check the other one. I honestly have no plans to buy anything. I just want to window shop today. I want to enjoy the weather, get out, and get ideas. Oh, I love this color right now. Found a couple shirts, but wasn't fully in love. Wow, that's beautiful.
I thought there's like so many pieces of mica just sitting there.
So cute.
What is that?
Little trinkets. Interesting. Any kids ones? We haven't made it into the candy store yet this year.
Library? Oh, that's where it is. Next to the restaurant.
We're gonna try to walk in here and see what's up. They do have some. Buffalo Fluffalo, that looks cute.
I read that. I read that.
You did?
So what is this about?
It says why. 1,111 answers to everything. Hippos remain calm. Little blue truck.
Who would win? And look, there's like all of them.
All right, she couldn't decide, so we're gonna go check out the toy store. I said, get her maybe something small, and if she doesn't find anything at the toy store, then we'll go back to the bookstore. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm.
Oh, they're everywhere.
But it is such a beautiful day today.
No,
No pets. I think we're good.
you don't have to.
Push.
It says N-O-P-A-E.
She saw that mission. That's pretty cool.
I have a book. It's in my apartment.
Okay. All right, this is where we're gonna go. Ooh, it's busy.
Look. I'm gonna back away from the licorice, okay?
We have root beer, assorted, berry blue, blueberry, bubble gum,
Bubble.
buttered popcorn,
No.
coconut, cotton candy.
Bubble gum.
Okay. You can mix several flavors. All right, we went to the candy store, kind of impromptu. We grabbed, Sydney wanted some jelly beans, so she has a few different flavors of jelly beans. I grabbed a piece of peanut butter and chocolate fudge. It has been so long since I've had fudge. So, a nice little day. She did pick out her book too, so. Are you happy?
Mommy, I think wait.
Okay, that was a nice little use of our time because now it's 4:15 and I can go home and make dinner. Today is just every day has flown by. Lately, Sydney's very happy she got her book. What is it called again? Is it 5,000 Facts or?
No, it's Little Kid's first big book of why.
Yes, it's actually a really cool book. I'm gonna learn so many facts. And then we went over to the candy store and I'm super pumped that I got some fudge for myself. Yeah, a great use of our time. We've had a lot of cold and rainy weather and I just have been finding myself like, what can we do? I need to do something.
Why does my skin wrinkle in the tub?
Sydney said she's always wanted to know what that, so now she'll find out.
Why do we use a toilet? It says, why do we use a toilet?
Okay, quick pit stop to the library to grab our movie for Friday night movie night. Hopefully they're still open. I don't know if they close at 4 or 5 and we are pushing it. So I figured while we're in town, why not? That has been so much fun for her to pick out her movie every Friday, and we've go to the library. We've checked out so many books this year from the library, or this summer from the library, and so it has just, I don't know, it's so much fun. And she's off. All right, these are the things that Sydney chose this week. Her movie for movie night, Endangered Butterflies, and then one of those. She grabs one every single time. It's like the Who Would Win ones. Got construction. All right, I'm hungry.
So when Lou was sitting and thinks about you came it's a collage.
I know, you just came up with that all on your own?
Yep.
It's awesome, sweetie.